Welcome back to Digital Dynamo Lab. In this video, we will explore the Rapid Application Development Model, a high-speed software development approach that emphasizes rapid prototyping and quick delivery. RAD focuses on producing high-quality software in less time by using component-based construction and iterative development. By the end of this video, you will understand what the RAD model is, its phases, when to use it, advantages and disadvantages. Let's dive in. The Rapid Application Development or RAD model is an incremental software development process. Unlike the rigid waterfall, RAD emphasizes quick development, rapid prototyping and continuous user feedback. The goal is to build prototypes quickly, refine them based on user suggestion and repeat this process until the final system is ready. Phases of RAD model: requirement planning, user design, construction, cutover. In the requirement planning phase, users, stakeholders and developers meet to discuss overall business needs. Unlike traditional models, requirements are gathered only at a high level. The focus is on modular, reusable code and ensuring fast delivery. Next is the user design phase, also known as prototyping phase. Here, prototypes are built quickly and shared with users. They interact with the system, provide feedback and request changes. This cycle may repeat multiple times until the design is approved. In the construction phase, actual coding and development begin. Developers use the feedback collected from prototypes to build the working system. Modules are developed quickly with an emphasis on both speed and quality. The final stage is cutover phase, where the system is tested, final adjustments are made, and data conversion or migration takes place. Users are trained and the system is deployed to go live. When to use RAD model? The RAD model is best used when requirements are well understood and stable. It works perfectly for time-sensitive projects and is more effective in small to medium-sized projects where user involvement is high. RAD is also ideal when innovation and creativity are important, frequent prototyping is required, and the project has low technological complexity. The RAD model offers several benefits. Changing requirements can be easily accommodated, and iterations are faster with powerful RAD tools. It allows for higher productivity with fewer people and significantly reduces development time. Components can be reused, saving effort, while quick reviews and constant customer feedback help refine the system. Since integration happens early, many problems are solved before deployment. Disadvantages of rapid application development. RAD model also has limitations. It is dependent on strong technical team members to define requirements, and only modular system can be developed. It requires highly skilled developers and designers with a strong focus on modeling skills. Rapid application development is not suitable for cheaper projects, as modeling and automated code generation can be costly. It also adds management complexity and is best suited for component-based scalable systems. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to Digital Dynamo Lab for more ICT learning content. See you in the next video.